Hi, in this session, I'll explain about how to add images to a web page. That is, I'll explain image tag in HTML. Images make the web page content look good, and image tag makes it possible. Image tag is represented by img tag, image tag, uh, and it's a single tag. It doesn't have a closing tag. Image tag takes some attributes, among which the most important attribute is the src attribute, source attribute, which has to be assigned with the URL of the image, which has to be displayed on the web page. Now let me build an example to demonstrate image tag and source attribute. I have an image of iPhone on my machine, which I'll display on the web page. Let's see this on the web page, how it looks. Now this is how images are displayed on the web page. Now, for instance, if the image is missing on the server, or due to some reason browser is unable to fetch the image from the server, then browser will not be able to display anything on the web page. So to avoid such situations, image tag supports another attribute called alt, which has to be assigned with a text value, which will be displayed if in case image is not able to be displayed by the browser on the web page. So I'll add some text to this, and let me just change the name of the image so that browser is unable to detect it. So if you see, the text which was given for the alt tag is being displayed on the web page. So it's a very good practice to use alt attribute for image tag. Now I can change the dimensions of the image using width and height attributes. I can provide numeric values for these attributes to change the dimensions of the image. So now if you can see the height and width of the iPhone has been changed. I can also change the alignment of this image on the web page using align attribute. Default alignment is always left, so I'll assign a right value to this align attribute. Let's see what happens. So the image is aligned to the right. Now I'll change it back to left. I can also add borders to this image using border attribute, and border attribute always takes a numeric value. So let me add a border to this image. So this was about image tag. One more important thing image tag is used for is to create hyperlinks on web page. So role of image tag here is just that it will replace the word or group of words which are enclosed between the anchor tag. So I'll create a hyperlink to yahoo.com using Yahoo logo. I already have Yahoo logo on my machine. So anchor tag, and instead of group of words or a word, I'll use image tag with the URL to the yahoo.com's logo. Let's see this on the web page. So if I click on this logo, the browser will be redirected to yahoo.com. Now this logo looks quite big, so let me change the height and width. So you can see the logo has become smaller because I made changes in height and width. Now if I click on this again, it will go to the yahoo.com first web page. So this was all about image tag, and I conclude this session here. So please post your queries if you have any. Thank you.